Hello, dear students. Welcome to Hybrid Learning. So today's topic is Chemistry, Acid, Base and Salt, CBSE Grade 10. We are going to continue the NCERT exercise. We did 1 to 4 question in the previous video. We are going to continue with that. So today I am discussing question number 5. Write the word equations and then balance equation for the reactions taking place when. So you have to write the word equation, then you have to write the balanced chemical equation. So let's get started. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. I'm going to write the word equation first. Okay. So how do I write the word equation? This is sulfuric acid. So word equation means you have to write the full thing. Zinc granules means zinc, basically. So sulfuric acid plus zinc will give zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So if they're asking you, you have to write it like this. Okay. Now the chemical equation, I'm going to write the balanced equation. So sulfuric acid. So if you notice, it is written dilute sulfuric acid. So you can write here dilute in the bracket down. Okay. Okay. So sulfuric acid, H2SO4 plus zinc. This will be solid. This will be aqueous. Gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. This is gas. This is aqueous. Aqueous means something which is dissolved in water. That will be my aqueous solution. We are going to define it by AQ. And G is for gaseous state. S is for solid. So if you notice here, zinc, sulfate, SO4, H2 is already balanced. So this will be the final answer. Let's do the next question. Word equation. Dilute hydrochloric acid. So it's hydrochloric acid plus magnesium ribbon means magnesium gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay, now let's write the balanced chemical equation. So hydrochloric acid, HCl, that will be aqueous, plus magnesium, that is solid, gives magnesium chloride plus H2 gas. Same way I'm going to write. So AQ also you can write it in the side only. I have written it downwards. So it's the same thing. Okay, so now if you see here, this is Cl2, this is H2, but here it's Cl. So we have to balance this. So if I put here 2, everything is balanced, right? So this is my balanced chemical equation. Let's go to the next question, that's C. Dilute sulfuric acid with aluminium powder, the same thing, the way you have written before. So you will write sulfuric acid plus aluminium gives aluminium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So my balanced chemical equation, sulfuric acid plus aluminium. So it's powder means solid. This will be aqueous. Will give you aluminium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole thrice plus hydrogen. So now this is Al2. So I have to put here 2. H2 is balanced. SO4 is whole thrice. So I have to put here 3, right? So I have to put here 3. So here it is 3 2s are 6. So I have to put here 3. So I guess it is balanced. Last one, dilute hydrochloric acid plus iron filling. Same way, hydrochloric acid plus iron will give you, it is either you can write iron chloride or you can specifically write ferrous chloride. So I'm writing ferrous chloride here. plus hydrogen. So sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, iron, ferrous chloride means it is FeCl2 plus hydrogen. Okay. Again, we can write the same thing. It is S, it is AQ, it is again AQ. So Fe balanced. So I need to put here 2. So this is my balanced chemical equation. Okay. So this is all for question number 5. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. If you have any other doubt, you can also post in the comment box. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next video.